Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we got a package for the Crown Vic. It's for the interior, so some of y'all probably already guess what it is and where it's going. But if not, we'll show you. But if you got a Crown Vic, a police model, old Interceptor, they be missing a part on the interior that you need, and that will be down here. It has this huge gap. So today we're gonna be filling in this gap with something different. Now this piece right here, this is what everybody pretty much buy. Go ahead and turn around so you guys can check it out. Now, I did leave it in the box. I want y'all to see me unbox it, and if you don't have one, you can take a look at it, see what it's like. This is how it comes, the name of it, whatever. Like I said, this is pretty much what everybody buy. Now, this is plain Jane, so I am gonna be doing some touching up or something different to it, so to stand out, be its own piece, and you won't look like everybody else. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, let's go ahead and take it out the box. Also, it has the I'm gonna show you guys the numbers on it, just in case you don't have a Crown Vic. You'll see the dimensions of it, and you might have another type of police car or whatever you want to put it in, and you can check it out and see if it fits. So these are the dimensions. Alright, so we're gonna throw this box in the back. Don't need that anymore. And this is what we have. Yep. Fresh, brand new. This part here closes. Supposed to come with a key. Change holder, cup holder. I know a lot of people say this piece here come off, so you have to put some type of glue or whatever on it. Got pretty good storage in it. Turn the thing around. Some keys to it. Couple screws. Yeah. Who need instructions? You can throw them out. Throw them in the back with the box. I need no instructions on this. Alright, so this is what I got down here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. Get that out the way. And sit that down here. Also, I'm finna go around and get this cleaning stuff out the trunk. The light's still looking good. Actually look a lot clearer than the original light, so can't wait to the set that I ordered come in. I'm gonna go ahead and add that other one. It's gonna give it that nice look. Alright, got that pretty cleaned up. Next time when I pull it back up, I add me some, clean it one more time, add a little shine to it, and that part will be good to go. Just in case you're wondering what the instructions say on here, we got like two of them. One of them, basically put it wherever you desire. There probably be some formed holes already in the bottom of this. You put it into the floor, and it also says if you mess up anything in your own vehicle, then that's your fault. Other than that, that's the instructions for people who need the instructions. So let's get this thing put in. Fits pretty snug. Go ahead and push that thing back. Like I said, I gotta do some work on it before I put the screws in there. I'm assuming they might go in there. Yeah, right there. That's So there you go. But I ain't gonna be drilling the holes in the car, so I'm just gonna find another way to mount it down. Do some drink right there. Oh, that part works. If somebody really want to get it open, they can. But I mean, you shouldn't be riding with nobody like that. But you want to probably, like I said, I'm gonna be doing some modification to this. So I'll probably modify this to be a little bit stronger. And yeah. But you got your change holder, cup holder, good amount of storage in there. Little tray right there, and some more cup holders. I guess when you're driving, I don't know, man. Might take that off, I think. I don't know. Let's see. How your arm. I don't know. We'll see. But that's that part. But until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.